Once again, as you can see, part 2, I'm at 14 volts from the alternator. Now, we shut off the car. I'm going to come back to around 13.5. If you are at 12 volts when you first start the car, then obviously the battery voltage might be sufficient enough to start the car. You might be losing it. The starter motor relay, the solenoid, or the starter motor might have a problem, or the wiring. But the fact that you have 12 volts is a good indicator, at least that much, that the battery was not drained. If you do find that it's 10.5 volts or very, very low on here, then first thing is to go and boost the battery. You have to try to get a boost and try to recharge that battery. I'll make another video and more description. Thank you.